Performance marketing generates a lot of data, from impressions and clicks at the top of the funnel to conversion and sales numbers at the bottom. Data is critical throughout the whole marketing and sales cycle. Data is a collection of facts or information. Your company's total number of social media followers, how many hours a team spends on a project, or total year-end revenue. All of those numbers are data. Marketing data can help you answer questions in a concrete way by drawing on real customer behaviors and interactions. The insights are useful for planning campaigns, predicting future behaviors, and finding out whether your activities are helping you reach your KPIs. You'll recall that a KPI, or Key Performance Indicator, is a measurement used to gauge how successful a business is in its effort to reach a business or marketing goal. Your KPIs could be certain metrics, like ROAS. But if you find that you aren't reaching your goals, you might need to prioritize different KPIs instead. To know if you're meeting your KPIs, you'll need to collect and interpret the relevant data. The process of monitoring and evaluating data to gain actionable insights is called data analytics. And it's one of the most important skill sets you can develop for a career in digital marketing or e-commerce. That doesn't mean you need to be a statistics expert to work in these fields. What it does mean is that most entry-level roles you'll encounter involve working with data in some way. Let's go over a few of the main data analytics responsibilities you might have. Pulling, reporting, and analyzing data. Data pulling is the process of collecting data from analytics tools and putting it into a spreadsheet or database, making it easy to access and work with. For example, you might have campaigns with similar goals running on different platforms like Facebook, Bing, and Google. To make it easier to compare and analyze your data, you'll need to bring it all together. One way to do that is by pulling the data from each source, organizing it into a spreadsheet. Data reporting, also called performance reporting, involves organizing and summarizing data to track performance across marketing and sales efforts. This process makes it easier to identify trends and spot unexpected results more quickly. For example, if you've pulled data from multiple sources, reporting makes it easier to tell if one has a higher ROAS than another. Quality reporting provides a clear picture of the raw numbers. It should help you shape questions that can be answered through analysis. Data analysis is the process of examining data in order to draw conclusions, make predictions, and drive informed decision-making. If reporting is the what, then analysis is the why. It helps you develop insights that explain the reported results and make suggestions for next steps, like shifting your budget or prioritizing different KPIs. You'll learn lots more about working with data later in the program, but I hope you feel like you've got a better understanding of what data is and why it's so important for marketing and sales success. Now, let's recap. The data produced by performance marketing is an incredibly valuable resource for understanding how well your strategy is meeting its goals. In an entry-level role, you may find yourself pulling, reporting, or analyzing performance data. Through data analytics, you can find out if you're meeting your goals, anticipate customer behavior, and make plans for the future. Coming up, we'll get into some ways to interpret data and present it to others.